What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Sam Norris, owner-operator of Progressive Lawn Service. We are out here today at my house because I wanted to take you guys really quick through the three-step process that we did today here at my house to get this mulch bed prepped and ready for mulch for the 2021 season. So if you guys are interested in seeing the process that we do here at my house, stay tuned and check out this video. Thanks, y'all. Sorry, there's a Black Hawk flying right above me. Look at that. Get you some of that. So like I said, we're out here today at the landscape bed that we installed around this time last year. Went back today, cleaned it all out. We took a significant layer of the mulch off the top of it because I'm going to be coming back in with some really good mulch, way better than the mulch that I put down last year. It's just a much higher quality. I have to drive a little bit further to get it. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys the three steps that we did today to get this bed in the shape that it is in right now. We might wind up replacing this, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do the edging here. If you guys have seen my edging videos, you pretty much already know what I'm going to do with that. But I did want to show you guys that we came in with I call it a hula hoe, a Craftsman hula hoe. It's just a wooden handled, kind of almost looks like a D-shaped piece of metal off the end that has a little bit of play, and we'll talk about that here in a second on what exactly I'm talking about by the Craftsman hula hoe. But you basically just dig or pull with it in your hand, and you're going to rip out all of the weeds, any weeds that are in there. It just gets down right under the root of them and scrapes them right off the top. And if you're doing it right, you can actually leave the mulch. The mulch stays relatively undisturbed as you're pulling, because the mulch just goes through right over the top of the cutting blade of the actual tool. It's actually really nice. I just recently kind of learned how to use it a little bit better, and I've got some footage of that I want to show you guys as well, of getting all the weeds and stuff. They were really bad right all in through here and over all around through out here. So we'll take a look at some of that footage and what else we did to get this all like it is. This is that Craftsman hula hoe I was talking about. You just kind of put it down in the mulch, and you can pull sort of in that motion and push. In both motions, you get that action there. You can kind of see you can hear it. It's just loose in there. That's how it's supposed to be. So it has a little bit of give. It's not rigid. So you pull like that, get right up under the mulch. It's gonna dig down about, depending on how hard you push or pull, it's going to dig down about an inch and a half, no more than that really, and it allows you to get up in those roots a little bit better. So we got everything all hula hoed up, got all the weeds out, went ahead and removed all of those, went back in with the backpack blower and just kind of blew out the edging of the edge that was there. It wasn't very defined. These bugs are crazy today. It wasn't very defined. It was really hard to see it. It pretty much lost all definition to it whatsoever. And that area right down there, that part gets really bad just because of how much of a downhill slope the yard is at right there. That's really hard to keep that edged out. It's just really tricky year round. You just have to go back a couple times throughout the year and bang that edge out again with the hand trencher. That's how I do it. And so we'll blow out the edging around, all the way around from the corner out there to the back corner here, and then we'll come back with the hand trencher and get the edge hand cut out. now that we have all of the edging caught up, touched up, ready to go, we're going to take and just kind of pull any excess dirt back, take all that dirt and toss it into the cart mate, as well as any of the other debris that's left sitting here on top. We'll just throw all that into the cart mate and go dump it off into the woods there off to the side of the house. So that's just kind of a quick video on how we do the spring cleanup here at my house, and how I would do it pretty much anywhere else really if a bed were to need that kind of weeding. The weeds have gotten fairly bad here, and I was going to spray them, but the wind we've been having the last couple days and today is just absolutely insane. I can't come in here with any kind of weed killer and spray anything, because it's just going to destroy and blow everywhere and kill everything. So just wanted to walk you guys through that really quick. Hopefully you guys have been doing well, getting your jobs done, getting the season back in. Season's coming. It's there, guys. We've been waiting all winter for it, and it's finally here. So hopefully you guys are rocking and rolling. Going to be getting some stuff done here hopefully this week, as long as the weather holds off, which I don't see it holding off, but we'll do what we can. Again, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and appreciate it. Keep up the great work, y'all. See ya.